is I did not go for a particular sectors, a particular organization. I moved around the world, and lot of experience I got it from the industry. It is a time to give back to industry what I got my experience from the sectors. Oil and gas, it is a great sector, and I'm very proud of what I achieved in my 40 years. Just I want to continue some more time. This was the first journey I had started as a shift engineer. Learned so many things uh, without any tools, without this one. It is purely hard work. When we started the industry in petrochemical industry, I was a shift engineer, directly dealing with every unit operations in this one in the chemical industry. It was fantastic. I want to divide this into two portions: 20 years and 20 years. First 20 years, the industry has gone through is very little automation, very little knowledge transfer, very little technology transfer. As it progressed, Industry 4.0 came, where the industry culture has really changed. So now, basically, based on automation, a lot of things have come on digitalization, and more improvement has come. See, finally, what we see is I can call it as an attitude in industry. So that is what I give credit for this change to automation world, and lot of process changes happened. Process changes, it reflected in automation. So the automation took over and made the process easier and adaptable for the industry. Started my journey after 5-6 years. I was pushed into a situation. All the foreign nationals has to leave some emergency situation in India. At that time, complete plant was engineered and constructed, but it was handed over, and it was one of the rare type of technology to commission it. I took a chance and really an interest to complete that project, and still now it is almost 30 years. Still it is running fantastic. And second, there was some project developed in South America. It is based on my vision, and the company expanded 3 times without cost investment in that. That is second my achievement, what I can say. Third, yes, I was the first engineering and commissioning manager for one of the jackup rigs in Middle East. I'm very proudly say that I have involved myself, though first time I was seeing the offshore nature, but still I completed that project. After that, 7 projects were completed. This is one of the milestones I can see in my lifetime. Second is, one of the largest pipeline or longest pipeline in the world, and it was successfully commissioned, and it is one of these fantastic experience. Fourth is one of the CO2 pilot plant in Abu Dhabi and other part of Middle East, which was piloted and it was completed under my leadership. See, the milestones, it is my team milestones, what I can say. The industry philosophy, finally, what is the outcome? Outcome is a success. It is not for me, it is for the industry. We are all small players in industry. The industry success depends upon the organizations. Who builds the organization? People build the organization. People has to adopt the technology. I adopted lately for the technology, but for the industry growth, industry culture need to change. How the culture will change is using Industry 4.0 and further technologies. Everything will change in the technology. So this is where we think, the growth was enormous. At the same time, adaptation was enormous. The challenges are skill levels of the industry going down. So that is why this sustainability initiative and the other initiativeness or smart things are coming up. Okay, after 2 generations or 3 generations, what will happen to SME levels of the people who contributes much more knowledge to this, because they will be getting old. So that is why the industry needs to address this challenge as fast as possible. Second thing, it is safety is the main challenge always. Third one is adaptability is again a challenge, though they have adapted, but there is a challenge in adaptation. We have developed something, the digital oil field, and which is useful for the industry. And so Utthunga is focused on sustainability for oil and gas industry. And if we achieve sustainability, then nothing like that. Utthunga has ventured digital oil field in one of the oil manufacturers or oil producers in India. Utthunga developed a technology, getting the well status of each well in remote conditions. It developed certain, again, AML based some models, such that the classification of the wells was easy and developed. Now we have a lot of people are asking for this, so for the remote conditions of the well to monitor. If the well would have stopped for 2 days and if we were not attended, it could have resulted in millions. I presented a paper in Midland Artificial Lift Conference. I presented my paper in ADIPEC last year. It was well received. So this is where I say that Utthunga is an innovation partner